Well, historically, Philippines has always been a coffee market. But at the same time, it's interesting to note that in recent trends, we've seen that the milk tea market is not only gaining traction, but is just growing significantly year on year. In fact, in 2024, the milk tea market in the Philippines is valued at around 333 million USD, and it is projected to grow to 540 million by 2030. So that just proves not only the scale of the category, but also the momentum that it has demonstrated in the country. So what does that tell us? It tells us that there is an increasing sophistication of the Filipino palate, and the Filipino palate is more open to new experiences and new beverage options. And that's why I think Chaji has a place in this new evolving beverage market. There are a couple of things. The first one, I think, which I mentioned, is we observe that there's an increasing sophistication of the Filipino palate, and therefore we've seen an increase in the repertoire of beverages that you consume on a day-to-day basis. It used to be just coffee, but now you have coffee, you have tea, you have all these other drinks, and it speaks to the intention and the trend of being open to new experiences, not only from a product standpoint, but also from a retail experience standpoint. So that's one. Another thing is that there is an uh, increasing trend on mindful consumption. More and more Filipinos are being more mindful in what they consume, looking for healthier alternatives to their everyday food as well as beverages. And I feel that these trends form very well onto our growth in the market. So a healthier alternative as well as the increasing repertoire of beverages allows Shaji to play a significant role in the beverage market. We don't see ourselves as competing with coffee chains. Our aim has always been from the very start to modernize tea culture and to bring everyone together through tea. And in doing that, we create differentiated experiences. And in creating those differentiated experience, we are positioned not just as a coffee alternative, but really, uh, but really part of your lifestyle, the lifestyle of the Filipinos that we aim to serve. So, uh, yes, to a certain extent, we want to believe that we are creating our own way, but it is rooted in tradition of ensuring that we reintroduce and modernize tea for the next generation of Filipinos and reimagine what tea can actually be. Again, for Chaji, we don't position ourselves as competing with coffee chains. We're creating our own way, and that is through modernizing tea culture and really bringing everyone together through tea. We're not just a coffee alternative. We're really offering a choice for our consumers. The lemon tea series is a perfect drink for summer. It's very light, refreshing, and it while at the same time ensures that we stay true to our tradition of using premium tea leaves. So we don't. It's not just colorful. We believe that fruit teas or lemon teas or iced teas for that matter is not just colorful and sweet. We believe that it has to taste, to still taste like tea. No? So in Chaji, our principle is we innovate through tea, not around it. So we're very committed to that, and we believe that with this new lemon series, it sets us up to introduce a new category to the Filipino consumer when it comes to tea beverages. There are a lot of things that are upcoming. Announcing it might not be the best time right now. What we're focused on is making sure that we offer the best tea experience across all of our current stores, our 13 stores right now, and launching novel innovations such as the lemon fruit tea.